How is the keto diet different from the paleo diet, and which is better? While these two diets have similarities, they aren't exactly the same. The keto diet was created to help people control and diminish the effects of epilepsy. This was back in the 1920s, but now it's widely used as an effective tool for weight loss and managing other health issues. On a ketogenic diet, carbohydrate calorie intake is reduced to a very low percentage of about 5 to 10% of your daily calories, and the body enters into this state of ketosis, which is fat burning mode, and that's what it uses as its primary fuel source. In contrast, the paleo diet doesn't recommend any strict macro ratios, since the main goal isn't changing how the body uses energy, but rather reaping the health benefits from eliminating certain foods from the diet and eating healthy sources of protein, fat, and plants. So paleo is more about eating in a more natural way and removing processed foods entirely. It is possible to follow a keto diet and adopt paleo principles at the same time. Both diets support removing processed foods, grains, and refined sugars, and instead choose more natural and nutritious keto diet foods like vegetable and organic grass-fed meats.